I'm always on the farm, and Lindsay's usually in her kitchen, and so to get us out and inspired by other people is really important.
Getting to see and then highlight people doing such amazing things.
First of all, I've got you a coat and a hairnet.
All right. You know, we could then be inspired by that and cook things that we would hopefully inspire our viewers to recreate themselves. We aim to educate viewers to learn how to cook from real ingredients for their family and friends. And we also want to encourage viewers to access those ingredients from their local farmers.
You put anything in your pea salad?
I usually just put a little bacon grease in them and salt, which isn't really good for you, but that's the way I like them.
I want to enjoy this again in Heinemann with like that mountain air. What does being from Heinemann mean to you?
Oh, you know, it enhanced my life. It gave me a better life.
There's these beautiful rural landscapes, there's these tiny little towns, and I'm ready to explore them. Do you do raw salads with this?
We do, yeah. I love all the kales, but really this one's probably my favorite.
I believe to farm well means that you do no harm, that you are building soil, not losing soil.
And I think that is the most important thing, is the conversation.